Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know people me promise not to post 2 videos per week, but this week has been a very busy week, so we didn't have time to do a video last weekend. But I thank you guys for the support, because even though we didn't post any videos, you guys went ahead and rewatched all the videos, and even old videos from maybe 1 year ago. People were commenting on those videos, so we really appreciate it and we love you guys, and just want to say thank you. Today in this video it will be me alone and all of the year today. The kids are at school, my two are at work, so today we're going to do a little unboxing. So I bought myself a little gift, about ourselves a little gift. So I'm going to do a unboxing of my little purchase, my new toy. Can you guess? Can you guys guess what it is? I'm gonna search for a knife, or I want to just open the box. Alright, so I come back with the knife. So you guys can go ahead and guess what it is. Drop it in the comment section. Say hello, Ola. Say hello, Ola. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Alright, this gift, guys, has been needed. I wanted to purchase this gift for a very long time, but I was kind of iffy, not knowing which one to choose. What if I open the box on the right side? I think I open it a while ago. Yeah, I think it's this side. I already my pint down. Anyway, I was searching Amazon up and down, not knowing which one to choose. So after doing a little research, I finally made up my mind. Read a couple of reviews and see what people said about this one before I made a purchase. Box open and everything. And guys, I made the purchase yesterday and I got it today. Are you ready? I am so excited. Me there, the glad bag of post. Me tired. Me happy. Done. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Look, guys, look. I have a real camera right now. I purchased a camera. It's a action cam. It's a sports camera. It's waterproof. It can go into water. This camera, it's a Wi-Fi camera, 8K, Ultra HD, waterproof, up to 40 meters in water, 170-degree wide angle, touch screen, and remote control. People, this camera can do a bag of things. This camera can do a bag of things. This camera can do a bag of things. I wanted to buy it from in December, but when I look at the price of this camera, I had to wait. Until end of Christmas sale, and which was normally would have been now, and since sale is going on now since the 20th of January, my Yarber camera, waterproof camera, I am so happy, guys. I've been filming with my phone, and now that I bought myself a camera, I already bought the tripods a couple weeks ago. I think it was in Christmas, or no, after Christmas. And it even comes with a protective bag. Look at that. One heap of accessories. This is the remote control. 2 batteries. Accessories, charger. More accessories. Guys, my glad bag a bus right now. My glad bag a bus because this weekend we're planning to do a little road trip. This is a handbag to put the remote control in and put it on your hand. It even come with a lens cleaner. People me happy. This is what now? This is more accessories. I think it's the battery stand to put the battery in to charge it. But people, I am so happy. Oh, this thing gonna start drop. I am so happy, guys, because I wanted to buy a camera, not just to film but to take pictures of my family so we can make memories together and continue to do my vlogging because I love capturing wonderful moments of me and my family. So I searched everywhere, asked questions, and I finally bought myself a camera. I'm so happy. I'm so happy because with my phone, I am filming with my phone now. So now I will start filming with my camera. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. I'm looking for the and I also bought a memory card for the camera, and this is 128 GB. Guys, I can't wait to start filming with this camera and to take pictures, and it even comes with a protective case for the underwater. I am so happy, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to set up this camera and I'm going to begin to film with my new camera. So in our next video, it will be videos of our new camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys are new, I'm Moy. The rest of the gang is not here, but thanks for joining the family. And please, guys, help us to get to 500 on Instagram. Just follow us on Instagram at 1876moy. That is 1876 MOY to get more up close and personal with us. More pictures of the kids. Even Alex, even though Alex doesn't like taking pictures or being a part of the videos, but every now and then you will see Alex in videos or pictures. But I just want to say thank you, guys, and we love and appreciate you. Bye.